Hi, my name is Lexie. I'm a stylist here at Trends Hair Salon, and I've been behind the chair for 4 years. Today I'm going to show you how to properly wash your hair at home to maintain a healthy hair lifestyle. So here today we have Sam. As many of you probably have seen that he was in one of our past reels. As you can see, his hair is very curly, coarse, and it is dry. So what we're going to be using today is our Food for Soft moisturizing shampoo and conditioner on his hair.